Have you ever think about the user-friendly websites? What kinds of websites are that? This video are going to talking about all the elements of the user-friendly website. It helps to improve website performance. Yes, design. The design is the primary element to give a good user experience to the visitors. When visitors on the website or app, visitors should be able to clearly see services or products. Picture quality should good and understandable. The design should fit on all kinds of devices like desktop, laptop, mobile, tablets, any other screens. Google is also providing the mobile-friendly testing tools free of cost. You can check there, the website is mobile-friendly or not. Please check description for link. Yes, we are talking about the search facility on the website or apps. Sometimes, visitors can't find the items on the website from the available menu. In that situation, users will leave the website with a bad impression. Start to think, the website was not good and have not any kind of search facility. That can be review on the review platforms. This is not good for online business. The search facility is very important for big websites. And you can see all the big websites are having a search options. It helps to the visitor to search easily for products and services. If the website hasn't a search facility, add it now and give a good user experience to the visitors. Navigation helps visitors easily navigate throughout the website. See is this example. You can navigate easily from one product to another product. This is an example of navigation. This is very important to give user experience. If the visitors can find easily products on the website, then a higher percentage of chances turn into customers. How can the content help for user-friendly websites? The content is based on the target audience. For example, the business website for Germany's location, then the website should available for the German language. Content plays a vital role, gives a good user's experience. Website speed means the website loading time. How much is taking a load to the content by the website? The website loading time's important to both, for business points of view and user-friendly website points of view. Let's understand with an example. A person visits the website but the website is taking too much time to load its content. What will happen? The maximum percentage of chances he will leave the website. The same thing is available anywhere else on the internet. Why the person waiting on the high loading time website? If the person looking for Reebok shoes, as we took it an example earlier. Reebok shoes are available on several websites, then why that person waiting on the high loading website? Thinks about it.